Since the beginning of time, humanity has been on a long and difficult journey. Thousands of years ago, before cities, borders, or written language existed, humans lived as hunters and gatherers. They followed animals, searched for food, and struggled every day to survive against nature. Fire was their greatest discovery, giving them warmth, protection, and the power to cook food. This single discovery changed human life forever and marked the first step towards civilization. As time passed, humans learned to farm. They discovered that seeds planted in the soil could grow into crops. This allowed people to settle in one place instead of constantly moving. Villages were formed near rivers where water was abundant and land was fertile. These settlements slowly grew into the world's first civilizations. One of the earliest civilizations emerged along the rivers of Mesopotamia, between the Tigris and Euphrates. Here, people invented writing, laws, and organized government. The Code of Hammurabi became one of the first written legal systems in history, proving that societies needed rules to survive. Nearby in ancient Egypt, civilization flourished along the Nile River. The Egyptians built massive pyramids, developed advanced medicine, and believed strongly in life after death. Their monuments still stand today as a symbol of human ambition and belief. Far to the east, the Indus Valley civilization developed well-planned cities with drainage systems and brick houses, showing advanced engineering skills. In China, ancient dynasties rose and fell, contributing inventions like paper, gunpowder, and the compass, which would later change the entire world. These civilizations were powerful, but none were permanent. In ancient Greece, a new idea was born. Greeks introduced democracy, philosophy, and scientific thinking. Thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle questioned the world and encouraged humans to seek knowledge through reason rather than fear. Greece shaped the foundations of Western civilization, but internal conflict weakened it. The Roman Empire rose next, becoming one of the greatest empires in history. Rome built roads, aqueducts, and strong armies that connected vast lands under one rule. Roman law and governance influenced modern legal systems. However, corruption, economic problems, and constant invasions eventually led to its collapse, proving that even the strongest empires can fall. During the Middle Ages, much of the world entered a period of struggle and transformation. While Europe faced wars and plagues, the Islamic Golden Age was flourishing. Scholars preserved ancient knowledge and made breakthroughs in mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and architecture. Cities like Baghdad and Cordoba became centers of learning when much of the world was in darkness. The Renaissance marked a rebirth of art, science, and curiosity. Humans began to explore the world, question old beliefs, and push the limits of knowledge. Next part.